In this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on Snapchat. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and swipe to the right to get in your chat list. And let me show you how to block a person. For that, I need to tap and hold on that conversation to make this pop-up window appear, and then I tap on Manage Friendship, and here just tap on Block, and confirm this, tap on Block again. You see, now that person was disappeared because I just block him, and now I wouldn't be able to get any messages, any notifications from that person. What to do to unblock someone on Snapchat? First, open up your profile and get into your settings, tap on that gear icon and scroll to the very bottom. And here we got options called blocked. Select that, and in that list we will get all the blocked persons. And to unblock him, I will just tap on that cross icon and confirm that action, tap on yes. And now I see that that person is not blocked anymore. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.